Hello students, good afternoon. Today I am going to tell you about how to make a die abacus in your home by using a waste materials. For making die abacus, we required a waste newspaper, white paper, scissor, pen or a pencil, Fevicol and a waste box. First of all, let's take a newspaper and strip like this. Now apply Fevicol on it and stick it like this. Now take a scissor and cut the newspaper from here. So we are ready with our one strip. Similarly, we can make more strips like this. Now take a pen or a pencil and round the strip like this. Now apply Fevicol on it and stick it. So we are ready with our one round. Similarly, we can make some rounds like this. If we want to apply color on it, so we can apply color also. Now take another newspaper and round it like this. Make a straw of your newspaper and then stick it. Now we are ready with our 3 sticks. After that, take a box, waste box and a white paper and stick a white paper on it. It will look like. Now give O, T and H and make 3 holes on the top so that we can put 3 straws in that 3 holes. Now our abacus is ready to use. So O stands for ones, T stands for tens and H stands for hundreds. So students, tell me, what is place value? Place value of any number is depends on its place or a position. Let us consider any number. So we consider a number 243. Let us consider for 243, 3 is at ones place, 4 is at tens place and 2 is at hundred place. 3 is at ones place, that means we have to put 3 similes on 3. Similarly for 4 is 4 similes and for 2 is 2 similes. Now the place value of 3 is 3 into 1 will be 3. The place value of 4 will be 4 into 10 will be 40. And the place value of 2 will be 2 into 100 equals to 200. Similarly, we can find it by our homemade abacus. Now, we will solve the activity of 243 in our homemade abacus. So, we have some rounds with us, some green rounds, some yellow rounds and some red rounds. So we put red rounds at ones place. So 243, that means 3 is at ones place. So 1, 2, 3. Now 4 is at 4 tens place. So 1 2 3 4 and 2 is at 100 place. So 1 and 2. Now the place value of 2 is at the position of 100. That means 2 into 100 is 200. And the place value of 4, that means 4 is at the position of t. That means 4 into 10 will be 40. And 3 is at 1's place. That means 3 into 1 will be 3. The place value of 3 will be 3. So this is our homemade abacus. You also can make at your home by using waste newspaper. Thank you.